Today, we will show you how to set up and begin using your quatix 8 Edition Multisport watch. Garmin recommends charging your quatix 8 for 2 hours before heading out on the water. For longer adventures, you can always keep your charging cable handy to charge up on the go. You can even use a UL licensed power bank. If your compatible smartphone supports reverse charging, you can connect directly to the device to charge your smartwatch. First, press and hold the light button on the top left to power on your watch. Use the up and down buttons on the left side of the watch to scroll through the language options. Press the Start/Stop button to select your language. Next, we'll pair your compatible smartphone with your watch. Select the green check mark to begin. Scan the on-screen QR code using your smartphone's camera. If you already have the Garmin Connect application on your smartphone, scanning this barcode will direct you to the device search screen. For new customers, scanning the code will direct you to install the Garmin Connect application. Open the Garmin Connect app once the download is complete. Select Sign In if you already have a Garmin Connect account. In this video, we will be creating a new account. Select Create Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your information. The Garmin Connect app will now begin searching for your quatix 8. Select Connected once the Garmin Connect app recognizes your watch. Your watch will now display a 6-digit code that you will need to confirm on the Garmin Connect app. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user preferences. Select Finish to complete the app setup. The app will offer to guide you through enabling key features and services, which include music, Wi-Fi, and Garmin Pay. You can choose to proceed with the app or dismiss. Now that your watch and smartphone are paired, your watch will confirm a few on-watch setting preferences. First, you can set the text size. Press the up and down buttons to adjust the text size. Press the Start/Stop button to confirm your desired setting. Next, you will be able to select activity types that you would like to have included on the activities list. Select the green check mark to continue. Press the Start/Stop button to select an activity. Continue until you have included all the activities you want on your list. Scroll to the bottom of the list and select Done when all of your preferred activities have been selected. Now, you will be able to select the shortcut when holding the down button. You can also set other button combinations in the watch settings. Your watch will display the watch face with a date and time once the setup is complete. Now, let's learn how to use the touchscreen to operate the watch. The touchscreen will be disabled by default during an activity. Your watch screen will go blank after 8 seconds. Tap the screen to enable the backlight. You can press the top center of the screen and swipe down to open notifications. Swipe up or down to scroll through pages. Touch an option to select it. Covering the screen with your palm will return to the watch face and disable the backlight. To learn more about using your touchscreen, see the owner's manual at marinesupport.garmin.com. Let's cover some basics to help you navigate your watch. Press the down button from the watch face to open glances. Here, you can quickly view important data, such as heart rate, training information, and more. Pressing the Start/Stop button will open the Apps and Activities menu. Some of these items include fish forecast, tides, anchor, and trolling motor. Pressing and holding the light button will open the Controls menu, where you can access features such as your Garmin wallet and volume settings. Pressing and holding the up button will open the menu and settings. Here, you can customize your watch layout, sound, display, and many more settings. You can also quickly access the flashlight with the default shortcut key combination of quickly pressing the light button twice. Your watch also lets you pin up to 3 of your favorite activities for quick access. To pin an activity, open the Activities and Apps menu by pressing the Start/Stop button from the watch face. Select Activities. Then locate the activity you want to pin. Press and hold the up button to bring up the menu. Select Pin Activity. Now your activity will be on the top of the Activities and Apps menu for quick access. Your watch also includes a speaker and microphone. Your quatix 8 can make and receive calls when paired to your compatible smartphone. They are also used when triggering your voice assistant while paired to your compatible smartphone. This is especially handy if your smartphone is in a gym bag or pack and you need to send a message or take a phone call. Additionally, your watch includes voice command that utilizes the microphone and speaker to complete various watch interactions. Some of these include starting a run, setting a timer, taking a note, or adjusting the watch volume. This is also available when not paired to your smartphone. And that's it. Your Garmin quatix 8 Multisport watch is now set up. To learn more about your device, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit marinesupport.garmin.com.